first time we go to Mars.
A new space race is upon us. A competition to get to the red planet, Mars,
To colonize Mars.
to learn about life in the universe. And so when NASA scientists reach out to Mission Workshop to develop an exploration pack, it was a project of such magnitude that they just had to say yes. The mission? Design a pack for Mars landing. A pack that was indestructible, lightweight but strong. A pack that could carry heavy equipment with ease. A pack that could adapt to the bodies of astronauts, large and small. The result would be a backpack called the Basalt EVIB, a backpack kept secret for years, until now. Until we got a chance to reimagine it, redesign it for everyday carry, tailor it for you, the carry community. Introducing the Mission Workshop by Carryology Mars project. 24 liters expanding up to 28 liters for everyday and light travel. Built in the USA to be indestructible with challenge sailcloths, Ultra 400X ultra high molecular weight polyethylene fabric. Utilizing Fidlock magnetic hardware and Austrian-made Cobra buckles. Fully modular via the patented Archive attachment system. An adaptable harness to fit a variety of body types and sizes. Unmatched and reimagined access, with custom patch artwork from the legend Dan Matsuda. Inspired by the original Mars pack and taken to the stars, delivered in one exclusive limited edition, available now.